Hello everybody, I am Samantha and this is my 5-month-old daughter Freya, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing and review of the Oribel PortaPlay 4-in-1 Activity Center. Let's get into it. This activity center from Oribel offers your baby a safe place to play and be entertained while you have a bit of time to do as you please. Oribel recommends this product from 5 months to about 5 years old. The max weight for the actual activity center itself is 25 pounds. This activity center retails for $130, and in the US you can purchase it from the Oribel website directly. I got mine from Amazon, and I've also seen Target and Walmart carry it occasionally too. I have the green Forest Friends, but they also offer a few other color options with different toys on too. It comes with, of course, the tabletop where the toys lock into, and this is the insert for when your baby is older and they are ready to use it as a table for art, building, or whatever they want. This is a seat. It spins 360 degrees. It also has a little bounce to it. It clips in like so. To extend the legs for play and storing away, you push to open or close. Then to adjust the height of the legs, you press and slide to the correct placement, then lock into place. Make sure you look at the height chart and play with the correct adjustment for your baby. You just want to make sure that their posture is correct and they're not hurting themselves trying to play with all the toys. You want to make sure their feet are at the correct position. They're not locking their knees or leaning forward at the hips and extending their tummy out, leaning into the seat or the actual toy. For the toys, we first have the winding vines. It is a tree that has pieces for your baby to be able to move over, and then a ladybug that runs up and down the tree. We have the chewy blossom flower. It's good for teething. The popping squirrel, it pops up and down. This one is super cute. He also squeaks a little bit. We have the mirror book. The mirror is awesome because Freya loves looking at herself right now. And then the spinning owl, it spins and rattles. To finish setting up, now just lock all of your toys into place. So the pros to this activity center. As you guys saw, putting it together was super easy, and living in a small 1-bedroom apartment, it's key to have things that just kind of fold away and are easy to store. The reason I purchased this activity center was because I was on the hunt to add something into our rotation to occupy and entertain this little girl for, 10 to 20 minutes. That's like precious time in baby world. It is super convenient, just being able to like place her down into it as well. That way I can run to the bathroom or make a coffee, do something quickly. I do like the toys that come with this activity center. They're not like super flashy or make a ton of noise, so I appreciate that, and Freya seems to have fun playing with them so far. So another pro with this activity center, with them standing up a little bit and being able to move their legs more, she does go to the bathroom more often than not, which is very good. Another thing that drew me to this activity center was that it can transform into a table later on when she outgrows the activity center. So and the accessories that they offer on Oribel are really cool. They have the stools, and then they have like this art paper roll dispenser, so that's pretty neat and something I will look into when she is a little older. If you are enjoying this video or finding it helpful, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for future baby product reviews. Now onto the cons with this activity center and most activity centers in general is that they actually do not help your baby learn to walk or progress their fine and gross motor developmental skills. If these are overused, they can even cause developmental delays in your baby. For topics like these, I love watching Emma Hubbard's video. She's a mama and an occupational therapist. Her videos are super informative and amazing, so I'll definitely link her channel in the description below. But what she talks about in her exerciser video is exactly what Freya did when we first put her in. Another reason I knew Freya was not ready for this activity center at 4 months old was, she was definitely leaning into it, and then she wanted to just pick up the toys. She was trying to grab the toys and bring them to her mouth, and obviously this doesn't allow for that. So she was getting very frustrated, and again, that just reinforces bad posture. So that's why we put it away for a month, and now it's back out and she's playing with it much more safely. Another con to this activity center is it is expensive. For $130, you can only use it for so long and for, 15 minutes a day or so. I know it transforms into a table later on, but for that price, I could, buy a really nice kids play table with sensory bins and the whole setup. So that's something to think about too. I do wish the toys were able to face the other way too, because when she's older and walking around it, she won't be able to play with them unless she's actually sitting in the seat. It's so hard to keep your baby entertained, so if it can buy you 10 to 15 minutes, then I'm happy, right? That's why the extra saucer has been really nice to add into our rotation. It's fun, she's surrounded by toys she's able to play with now, and it just gives me the freedom to be able to do a few more things without her, in the baby carrier or whatever, because she just cries. She's going through this mommy stage too, where she does not want to be with anybody but mommy. So it's just been really nice when I need like a little break to be able to put her down in a safe spot. As long as you're not overusing this activity center and you're using it for 10 to 15 minutes a day, it's still way better than using like a jolly jumper or a walker. See you in the next one.